Hello, my name is Mary Beck, and I'm a professor of geology on West and Winter Park campuses. I received the McGuire Family Teacher Endowed Chair. I used this endowed chair to purchase two different technologies, data logging equipment and GIS technology, which is also known as Geographic Information Systems technology. With the technology, you can use these data loggers to measure real-time data for different elements of, for instance, like the weather. This weather sensor allows me to measure such things as humidity, dew point, absolute and relative humidity, dew point, wind speed, temperature, barometric pressure. I can also then add another sensor in another port here, and this would allow me to measure or to actually track where I'm going. This is a GPS sensor or a global positioning sensor, the same sort of thing that you have in your car. And what it does is it would track any measurements I make so that as I record the weather data, I also am recording where I took that measurement. The highlight for me in this project actually was that I came into this whole technology just at the right time, because the technology is changing. The company that has produced these sensors has also been working on developing applications for iPad. And so what I've done is I've actually purchased iPads instead of these data loggers. And the iPads use the same sensors. It's able to do the same sort of thing. I have a sample here of an experiment that you can do using an accelerometer that's built into the iPad. And I can start my little experimental run. What the accelerometer is going to basically measure is any movement in two-dimensional space that I make with this iPad. And when I stop, I have a graphic printout. What's been exciting about having this technology change towards iPads, it means that now instead of having a data logger that's in the classroom locked in a cabinet, students who own their own iPads can actually download a $10 application, and they can use some of the built-in sensors that are already in the iPad to do some of these kinds of small experiments to kind of explore their own curiosities about the physical world. Receiving the McGuire Family Teacher Endowed Chair has allowed me to bring research activities into the classroom, which is something I've been really interested in doing for a long time. In addition, it's also reminded me how exciting and challenging it is to do research using real data, real-time data. And for me, that's always been where the real learning has occurred, and I believe that's going to be true for my students as well.